Hi, I'm a student physical therapist here at Kean University. Welcome to our second home, the North Avenue Academic Building. This is where we learn, collaborate, and grow as future student physical therapists. Let me show you around. Our simulation lab gives us the opportunity to practice real clinical scenarios in a supportive environment. It's where we build confidence, sharpen our decision-making, and learn from hands-on experience before entering our clinical placements. In the lecture hall, our professors foster an interactive learning experience. The large windows and great view make it really comfortable space to learn. Classes encourage discussion, critical thinking, and connecting what we learned in lecture to what we do in lab. The Musculoskeletal lab is where we spend a lot of time developing hands-on orthopedic skills and interventions. We practice evaluation techniques, manual therapy, and movement analysis to help patients return to what matters most to them. In the Neurology lab, we learn how to work with individuals who are affected by disorders of the nervous system. This space helps us understand motor control, balance, and functional movement in a meaningful, patient-centered ways. Our Cardiopulmonary lab prepares us to safely work with patients who have heart and lung conditions. We learn how to monitor vital signs, prescribe exercise, and support overall health and endurance. These lounge areas and study rooms are where we collaborate, study for exams, and support one another. They're an important part of our experience and help build a strong sense of community within the program. As students, we're challenged, supported, and inspired every day here at Kean. The Department of Physical Therapy is more than a place to learn. It's where we grow into the physical therapists we aspire to be.